If you could design your ideal workplace, where would you start? The desks? The conference rooms? Probably not the brewer. But at Mars Drinks, we know that looking in unlikely places can yield extraordinary results. We are 100% dedicated to the workplace, designing solutions for offices across the globe, fueling vibrant conversations and sparking amazing ideas. We bring co-workers together and turn breaks into breakthroughs, companies into communities, and the average workday into so much more. Introducing the Mars Drinks Flavia Creation 500. Rethink the daily grind.